1 chicken, 3 eggs, 2 cups flour, 0.25 cup pepper, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 cup kosher salt, 0.25 cup garlic powder, vegetable oil.
Step 1.
In a large bowl, beat the eggs. In another bowl, combine the salt, pepper, garlic powder and paprika. Add the flour to a third bowl. Step 2. Prepare the chicken by first seasoning each piece of chicken all over with the seasoning mixture. Then dip each piece in the egg and drag through flour until coated well. Step 3. Fill a large pot or deep fryer half full with oil and heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken parts in and fry until dark and crisp. The thighs and legs will take longer to cook, about 15 minutes. Step 4. Remove from heat, let sit for 5 minutes to cool and enjoy.